What's wrong with having my boots on?
There's nothing wrong. They're just awesome.
You want me to
Pound
kick
my
you?
fist.
You want me to kick you with my boots?
No, y'all need your steel boots piercing my skin. We're here today at Sportsman's Warehouse, which does actually have a mountain on the logo. So we're gonna go in there and we are gonna look for something to use as a skate obstacle. We're gonna keep it short. Let's just go in there because this store is amazing.
Do you not know who I am?
No, I meant the intro because I know how badly you want to get in there. Up to 70% clearance, which is the best thing I've heard all day. And now we're gonna go in there and do a little bit of shopping. These are the nicest socks we just walked in ever. I wouldn't gonna buy some of these for snowboarding. I need your Australian thoughts on toe.
I hate them.
Shoes.
I hate those.
You hate them?
Yeah.
See, I feel like if you put a scope on a slingshot, it takes away the fun of it.
Slingshot ammo?
That's another video I want to do is marbles in the Braille house.
There's this character in this anime I've been watching, and every time before he says something, he goes, haha! The one main character's like, what's your name? And he's like, haha! And he's like, that's a weird name. He's like, that's not my name is haha! And then, so every time he says it, he's like, hey, haha!
Wait, do you guys remember the last time we were at this store and there was that $1,000 four-wheeler?
Wait.
We should just buy that today. Now that I think about it, finding something to actually skate on here might be hard.
There's like a ton of stuff right here. Like you can skate on any of these.
Every time I hear beef jerky, I think of Chris McNugget for some reason. Because when we went snowboarding, we were at the top of the mountain. He was like, "Hey Gabe, you want some beef jerky?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure."
We might be able to find wicking material here for the Ring of Fire too.
Betty. Betty. Hey, this isn't a bad idea though. This is a video that would be pretty funny.
In a sleeping bag?
Hide and seek?
If you take this off, actually you could probably skate on this. It's not bad. I mean, it'd definitely be a little more challenging. Or you could always just like leave half of it on. Well, it's in our price
Pretty
range,
much
so
this
this is an
setup.
option. It's located in bin 12. It's a little
This
high
has been
though,
12. This has been 10. High, but you could kick her up to it. You could put it down stuff.
You could wally it.
Yeah.
You could put it sideways.
Well,
You could,
that's
if
an
you
option.
put it sideways.
Yeah, if you put
like,
it side,
you
like
could skate
lay
the-
it down.
Like lay it down, yeah.
And then
you
you
could
can
skate it.
Then you can skate it. You can board slide it and everything.
Truth.
And
Yes.
it's metal.
It's an option. Like, I want to own this at some point in my life. I'm a little disappointed that there wasn't a duck hunt this time around, but really that first experience was just so good that you can't ever top it.
No.
Deer, when you're out in the field and you clack them together like they're fighting. And it
Oh,
attracts
so
them.
trying to get the deer in the mood.
No,
and then
trying
they
to
come
get,
over
like,
and
bigger
then-
bucks to come over and investigate who's fighting.
Could you imagine getting stuck in that? Like, how do they get you out? This is what John Wick has in his garage. You leave it open for idiots like us and we'll find a way to get stuck in it.
That would be great.
There is nothing here worth dying for. This right here.
Hi guys.
Hey,
Welcome back.
Hello.
nice to see you again.
I know. How you guys doing?
Good. Fantastic.
So we have some cases, and we actually want to give it to you guys.
What?
Well, you guys get the option to pick, and we want you guys to make a skateboard out of it.
Yeah, this would be awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you guys need any help, definitely let us know.
Absolutely.
We will.
All right.
Definitely.
I'll leave you guys to it. You guys
All
are
right,
making
thank
videos.
you. Thank you. Do they have flare guns here? I've always wanted to try shooting a flare gun.
Yeah.
Can I tase you? No.
No,
I'll
it's the
tase you.
shooty ones.
No.
All right, well, we'll go with the workbench. This is amazing. Once again, Sportsman's Warehouse.
Look at
The
that.
service is absolutely unmatched. It's just
Unmatched.
incredible. So we're gonna
And then I
get the
can go
bench,
look at
and then
pants.
you can look at pants. Look around for the wick stuff for the Ring
Yes.
of Fire.
Oh, you gotta go check out this with me.
I wanna
Because
come
you'll
with
like
you.
it.
All right, take your time. Watch out.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I've always wanted one of those canes that have a sword in it.
Malfoy's walking stick, but
Yeah.
with a sword.
Sword.
Because we don't have magical abilities.
Amazing. Daniel, look at this. Oh, that was great. It reminds me of like something in like a movie like, I want that.
That was good.
I've discovered the most great thing in the whole entire world. We must keep it preserved.
We're actually doing a Ring of Fire.
And skating through it.
Well, okay.
So if you don't see us back here for a while,
I'll be bummed.
you know it went wrong. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
For sure.
Of course.
Thank you.
Come back again.
We will.
We will,
For sure.
yes.
Probably help you out with more stuff. So.
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, I should have got that popcorn. I forgot about that caramel popcorn. That was delicious. Nailed it.
Sportsman's Warehouse has blessed us with this beautiful case. And what else is in there except for some Braille wax that you can get at brailleskateboarding.com. Fetty, would you like to do the honors?
Yeah.
That was amazing. Hello, you guys. We're here. It is now Friday. We went to Sportsman's Warehouse yesterday, and this beautiful man has appeared. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you for coming to skate.
Can you guys work on my pad?
Giant table.
You done did it now.
They made me take my board off. They took my board off me at the airport.
Just thinking about TSA.
Look at that.
Looks like a guitar for me.
Most oozy thing that could have happened. He runs in, we just hear him screaming, he comes in, I'm getting chased by seagulls. Are you ready for your examination? What is 2 plus 2? 8? It's actually 9. Carlos is now waxing this thing. Yeah, they have it set up down the 3 stair to start with. Hey, look at how. You guys want to support it with anything? Are you good? All right, good luck, guys. Nope. Just ollie. Then Carlos like, yeah, let me warm up getting ollie too. McNugget. Freaking crook!
Maybe I just need to warm up more, but that's really freaky. It's just like super wobbly.
McNugget said that it is scary and he doesn't know why. I know why. Look at freaking Carlos holding the wax in his hand while he skates.
Why did you shoulder charge the camera?
I think I just broke my shoulder. Oh, that was sick. What is your idea?
Okay, so no one's ever thought of this, I don't think. But to get rid of the ghost, we could just get a giant fan and stick it at the door and the ghost will get blown out.
The legs are kind of caving in. He just blew up. Are you good?
Yeah, we're good.
Nose manual, nollie late double flip out.
Exactly.
Got that.
My whole life flashed in front of my eyes. It went like this.
He got a Gyarados of fear on that one. You have to be surgically precise.
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty scary.
Woo! Fetty, what are your thoughts here?
Well, so it doesn't slide.
And you can skate it backside off
Why
the
you
thing.
accident?
Do you know how many times I go to restaurants, say that my name is Gabe, and they think my name is Dave? Let's go! There's shoes flying! Woo! I'm gonna give you a high five for that. Literally that entire time I was like, please, 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 Fetty.
Before I even went, I was like, I really need to land this. I didn't think it was that solid.
Wow!
Doesn't count.
That was sick. All right, Fetty, what are you thinking?
I don't know, everyone's gone.
I leave for 2 minutes, and you got this set up? Wow! Woo! Wow. Yeah! Yeah! There's a bump there.
I know.
There's a bump. I don't know how he did that.
I got my trick, so I'll see these guys on some.
Right there. That is the spot, bro.
My name is Cthulhu, and I am the stabilizer.
Ow! Crushed my toe!
So don't get close.
Like I had to get in and just straight pop out right away. And it just felt weird.
I'm hungry.
Wow! Tuesday mini ramp.
I'm very bummed. I haven't been able to skate this backside once.
Oh, that sound.
You can actually take out the pegs.
Oh, game!
Well, I knew they twisted. I just didn't know what the twisting was for.
Oh, yeah! Someone get me a mattress and some safety glasses!
Why are you holding it? It doesn't fit.
Board! Hold up, brothers. Drop in, Carlos. Wait, hold on. Can we get slow-mo? Daniel, there. Oh, there's a butt in my face, man.
You don't need it unlocked. You push the button down. Oh, there we go.
No, like move it out of the way.
Where he's going, there's no return.
I'm jumping out, man. Oh, okay. That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad, okay.
You had one already?
Sorry.
I don't know, brother.
Oh, I smell the burrito in the air.
Brother, I watch a lot of NASCAR. This doesn't end very well.
There's a looking at me right now. And I'm not talking about a person.
Let me concentrate. This is like
Brother,
death,
that's
guys.
the one-eyed sphinx.
They're out there like making me laugh. I'm trying not to die. I got a couple more in me. That was like, yeah, it's messed up. It'd be easier on the bigger side.
That felt pretty good though. I feel like dropping in is gnarlier to be honest though.
Oh my God.
BBT. That's a hole.
Yeet to the hall, brother.
I'm sure I do it for that ye to the hall right here.
Do it for
our nation.
for the culture.
One more.
That's telling you to stop right
what
there.
the children call stays. All your brothers are here. Yeehaw.
Tell you something, boy.
Is that what we call the end of the video? Those are the drums that Uzi heard.
I really hope I got all of that because I was. Did you just go back into that?
I don't know, but these two stickers are perfect for this moment.
Help! Help me!
Just crawl it out.
I needed my back to do that, brother. I done broke it.
Click right there for a bunch of videos and playlists that you guys will enjoy. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for every skateboard need you will ever need. That didn't make sense, but you know what I meant.